I'm Captain Eric Hasty, and this is
John King.
And we're here to teach you how to catch live bait on this edition of We Be Tailin.
Throwing a cast net.
Pinfish traps, they have their pros and cons, but more on that later. We are starting today off with some fresh pins from Captain's Cove, just in case our plan is a flop.
All right, John, let's go.
John chokes on his cheese, and we nearly lose our cameraman due to the sheer power of the 200 horsepower Suzuki. We want to show you the power of the net. With one of these, you can get plenty of these. Now let's talk pinfish traps. We love them. They're great and have the potential to catch a lot of bait. The downside is that they can get robbed or even worse, taken completely. This is why we push the cast net so hard. Throwing the cast net gives you the ability to catch more than just pins. Mullet, herring, and greenbacks are just few more examples of what can be caught with a net. John and I both throw a 7-foot radius net, cheap as we can find them. These baits hang shallow in the rocks and oyster bars, so you're going to tear the net up eventually.
Pancakes, baby. Pancakes, baby.
Higher tides make throwing from the boat easier, but at lower tides, to catch the perfect bait, you're going to need protection. No, not that kind of protection. Good footwear. You have to protect them feet from cuts, and flip-flops don't cut it. My custom design, straight from the man himself. Now let's see these baits in action.